3D Experience can help bring your business change process under complete control. Changes can be created from multiple locations, like an issue, a markup, or directly from the change execution widget. Changes have members, like assignees, approvers, or approval routes, which can contain a number of people, and informed users that will be kept informed of the progress of the change. Like other objects in the platform, changes have properties which can be kept up to date. We can also link issues directly to a change, meaning that they're available to reference. Supporting information can be directly attached to a change action. This could be documents, photos, things of this nature. Objects that we're looking to update using the change action can be attached in the proposed changes. These objects could be CAD related, documents, requirements, lots of different object types from within the platform. Change actions can be used to release data for the first time, or they can be used to take release data, create a new revision, and update that revision and release it. Once the data is in the correct state, the change action can be moved to an approval. At this point, notifications will be sent out to all users involved in the approval process. Because all the data is stored in a single platform, it's easy for approvers to take the data straight from the change action into a viewing widget, allowing them to see the changes that have actually happened. The notifications mentioned earlier can be sent via the platform or can be configured to be sent as an email. Once the approval is complete, the data is moved to released and the change action is completed.